A woman who lost her sense of smell for 20 years suddenly regained it with a single, unexpected sneeze, leaving doctors completely baffled. After 2 decades of living without the ability to smell her favorite foods, flowers, or even warning odors, one forceful sneeze changed everything in an instant. Medical professionals are scratching their heads, trying to understand how this seemingly simple act could reverse such a long-standing condition. Could this sneeze have somehow reset her olfactory system? This miraculous recovery has sparked a wave of curiosity and further investigation into the mysterious ways our bodies can heal themselves in the blink of an eye.